have to get that boy a jumpsuit. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's another new song for you. Talking about a moving thing, how we can make it stay. Yes, our love and share will always be. There'll be no coming day to shine the morning light, make us realize our night. It's over. When you walk away from me, there's no place to put my hand except to shade my eyes. It's the sun that rises over land. I want you to walk away somehow. I'll have to let you go, 'cause it's over. Somehow I'll have to force myself to say it's over. So I turn my back, turn my collar to the wind, move along the silence, trying not to think at all. I set my feet for me, walk the silent street before me. Now it's over. I'm not a moving thing, how can make it stay? The sun will always be. There'll be no coming day to shine the morning light.
Yes, sir.
Just realize it's over. It's over. Thank you very much. You folks are fantastic. Thank you very much. How you doing? I'm doing good. Good to see you. Thank you. I'm by your side. I watch you sleeping, and in your face, the sweetness of a child. Murmuring a dream you won't recount to, though it will haunt the corners of your mind. Oh, I've lost you though you're near me, and your body still is calm. I've lost you on a journey, but I can't remember where or when. Who can tell when summer turns to autumn, and who can point the moment love grows cold? Softly without pain, the joy is over, but why it's gone when neither of us know? Oh, I've lost you, yes I've lost you. Thank you. I've lost you on a journey, but I can't remember where. Come on this way. Oh, I've lost you, yes I've lost you, and the body still is come. I've lost you on a journey, but I can't remember where or when. 6 o'clock, the baby will be crying, and you will start sleeping to the door. In the chill and solemn gray of morning, we play the parts that we have learned to well. Oh, I've lost you, yes I've lost you, still is coming. I've lost you on a journey, but I can't remember where. Thank you. Thank you very much. Let me get a drink real quick. I'd like to do a medley for you if you don't mind. Well, since my baby left me, I found a new place to dwell. It's down at the end of Lonely Street, a heartbreak hotel. Well, I'll be so lonely, baby. Well, I'm so lonely. I'll be so lonely I could die. Well, the Baptists keep flowing, and the dance club's just in line. They've been so long down on the street, they'll never make it back. And they say they'll be so lonely, baby. Well, they'll be so lonely. They'll be so lonely they could die. All right, put your hands together. Here we go. I'm all shook up. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, well, bless my soul, what's wrong with me? I'm itching like a man on a fuzzy tree. My friends say I'm acting, why does it bug me? Love, I'm all shook up. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, well, my hands are shaky and my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own 2 feet. Who do you think of when you have such luck? I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Hey, hey, hey. Well, please don't ask me what's on my mind. I'm a little mixed up, but I feel fine. When I'm with a girl that I love best, my heart beats so it scares me to death as she touches my hand. I wanna chill I got. Her lips are like a volcano is hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Hey, hey, hey. Thank you. Thank you very much. Let me ask you, everybody having a good time out there? Move us over this one, too. Okay. This next song was written by a friend. Hold on, Dale. This next song was actually written by a friend of Elvis, who's a high school buddy of his, by the name of Red West. Now, Red, I don't know if some of you have seen it or not, but Red passed away about 2 weeks ago. And he was also in the movie Roadhouse. He was played Red in the movie Roadhouse with Patrick Swayze as well. But he wrote this song for Elvis when him and Priscilla were going through their divorce. It's a real pretty song, goes something like this. I hope you like it. It does go something like this. I see a change, it's coming to our lives. It's not the same as it used to be. And it's not too late to realize, understand, we're just not right for each other. Love has slipped away, left us only friends. We almost seem like strangers. All that's left between us are the memories we share. Times we thought we cared for each other. There's nothing left to do but go our separate ways and pick up all the pieces left behind us. And maybe someday, somewhere along the way, another love will find us. Someday when she's older, maybe she will understand. I heard mom and dad are not together. Tears that she will cry when I have to say goodbye. Tear up my heart forever. There's nothing left to do but go our separate ways and pick up all the pieces left behind us. And maybe someday, somewhere along the way, another love will find us. Thank you very much. Hey, Dale, pause something, please. I'm be back, folks. Get a drink real quick. I feel like I'm a half a mile away.
Dropping scars.
I dropped some, okay. Well, this next one we have some fun with.
Big guy.
I feel like Bob Dylan just slipped in my mouth, boy, I tell you. Okay, I'm ready. That is my cologne. It doesn't smell like that. No. Let me ask you, everybody having a good time out there? Oh, baby, I'm gonna teach you what love's all about tonight. Trust me, honey, everything's gonna be alright. Oh, yeah. Just do like I do, there ain't nothing to it. Listen to me, baby, anybody can do it. All you gotta do is just let yourself go. Now don't be afraid, just relax and take it real slow. Cool it, baby, we ain't got no place to go. Oh, yeah. Just put your arms around me real tight. Enjoy yourself, baby. Don't fight it. All you gotta do is just let yourself go. All you need is just a little rehearsal. The first thing that you know, you will be ready for the grand finale. So come on, baby, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Taking notes. Now take a deep breath and put your warm red lips on mine. Trust me, honey, everything's gonna be just fine. Oh yeah. Kiss me nice and easy, take your time. 'Cause baby, I'm the only one to hear it live. All you gotta do is just let yourself go. Yeah, let yourself go right now. Yeah, let yourself go. Oh, let yourself go right now. Yeah, let yourself go. Yeah, let yourself go right now.
Yeah.
All you gotta do is just let yourself go. Thank you. Thank you very much. Scars falling off, losing my mind, boy. That's another good song for you. If you know, please sing along with me. Amazing grace, oh how sweet, sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I sing God's praise. And when we first begun, sing it, baby. Like me, I once was lost, oh now I'm found, was blind, oh now I see. Thank you. Thank you very much. You're fantastic. Thank you very much. Pressed between the pages of my mind, memories swim through the ages just like wine. Wild thoughts come floating out and settle to the ground like gold autumn leaves around my feet. The sweet memories, sweet memories of holding hands and red bouquets, lost in purple haze, and laughing eyes and simple ways, and quiet nights and gentle days with you. Come in. Memories pressed between the pages of my mind. Memories sweep through the ages just like wine. Memories, memories of holy hands and red bouquets and twilight streamed in purple haze, and laughing eyes and simple ways, and quiet nights and gentle days with you. Memories, memories, sweet memories. Memories, memories, sweet memories. Thank you. Thank you very much. We're calling a truck. I can't walk out, no. Because I love you too much, baby. It's our favorite song. Why can't you see, what you're doing to me? When you don't believe the word I say. We can't go on together with suspicious minds, and we can't build our dreams on suspicious minds. So if I'm no friend I know, so I try to say hello, when I still see suspicion in your eyes. Here we go again, asking where I've been. You can't see the tears on me like I cried. We can't go on together with suspicious minds, and we can't build our dreams on suspicious minds. Only love survives. Oh no, I'll dry the tears from your eyes. Well, some other good thing died. Oh no, 'cause honey, you know I never lied to you. Oh no, yeah, yeah. We're calling the track. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Oh, why can't you see, what you're doing to me? When you don't believe a word I say. Oh, don't you know, calling the track. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Oh, don't you know, calling the track. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Oh, calling the track. Can't walk out, no. I hope this suit don't tear up, baby. Oh, don't you know, calling the track. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Oh, don't you know, calling the track. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Thank you very much. Let me get a drink, Joe, real quick. This next song, my wife's been after me for years to sing it. I finally recorded it. It's actually the title song of my new CD. And hope you like it. It goes something like this. To dream the impossible dream, to find the unbeatable foe, to bear with unbearable sorrow, to run with a brave that I go, all around the you. Thank you very much. You folks are fantastic. Thank you very much. It'll be 40 years in 2 weeks that Elvis has passed away. I'd like to do this song for you. Suddenly I had to leave. There was no time for goodbyes. I never meant to hurt you. Never meant to make you cry. We spent some time together, but it didn't seem long enough. Always gave you all I had. You gave me all your love. Now you may wonder where I am, where the music's gone. You can find it in your heart. Life goes on and on. I'll be with you always. Every dream, every song, and every prayer. Oh, I'll be with you always. Stood around in our heart. Living out a lifetime in just a few short years. If only I could hold you and touch you once again. Maybe I'll see you someday, somewhere around the bend. Now you may wonder where I am, where the music's gone. You can find it in your heart, but life goes on and on. I'll be with you always. Every dream, every song, and every prayer. Oh, I'll be with you always. Just turn around and I'll be there. I'll be there whenever you're lonely. I'll be there whenever you're blue. Think of me whenever you need a friend. And my memory comfort you. I'll be with you always. Every dream, every song, and every prayer. Oh, I'll be with you always. If you want me, if you need me, if you love me, just turn around and I'll be there. I'll be there. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. You folks have been a fantastic audience. Thank you very much. Until we meet you again, may God bless you all. Adios. I just sing this next song especially for you. Wise men say, only fools rush in. Oh, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I Darling, so it goes. Some things you know are meant to be.